It's been a long time I don't see.
Yes, so usually we just find these small avocados, just like has avocados in America, and this is the way avocados grow in Brazil. And
let me get a close. Look the size, guys. Look my hand. Look my palm. Whoa.
so compared to a pineapple.
Huge.
For this month, so you come from that way, 3 minutes walking from Hadsalat Beach, and then you have this cute bungalow. Here there is some nice space. Maybe we can hang a hammock here later on. The house is blessed and it's a very basic but everything we need. So there is fridge, there is our stuff already in there, and the bed here, then the wardrobe, and then here to keep the bugs away there is also this little door and our kitchen. So there is a table, a very basic yet useful kitchen, and here we'll be able to open the windows later on. Let's see. I never opened it yet, so okay, later. And there comes Destiny Boy with our backpack.
Hello. Did you bring all these things up by yourself?
Yes.
What a strong girl.
They are inside.
Flowers for her. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, baby. So here over there lives... Yes, we do. Yes. Over there lives the guy that rented the house for us, a very nice man. And I just wanted to show you how nice. We have a small shrine here. And the price is really affordable. And 3 minutes by one of the most beautiful beaches in Koh Phangan, where you have white sand. And it's sparkling. Look, it's faker. And amazing snorkeling and everything. There are our parking spots. Yeah, so we're just gonna real quick, I think we're gonna leave these things here and we're gonna go to the market. Oh yeah, he opened the window. I could not, so let's see. What a beautiful view. Kitchenware and Health Food Center. So we found this place in Happy Cow and we heard there is some vegan stuff here, so we come to check it out.
I just had my lunch at Organic So Organic restaurant. It was delicious. It was very tasty. Tastes like fresh food. They just harvest and did it. Amazing. So I came to this bakery called Tidbit. And I wanna check it out. What they doing for our stomachs. We have a visitor here. He's a gecko. Welcome, brother. Gecko. Gecko.
It is chiku. Well, this is the way they call it in India. First time we ate it was in India, and it tastes a little bit like a sweet potato fruit.
We stopped to buy some mango, but the mango was a bit green. And look this pineapple, huge, for 50 baht. And then we end up also buying some garlic, tomato, onion to do some seasoning in our food. So it looks like somebody's gonna eat lots of fruits today, tomorrow, this week, this month. Boom!
So I just want to show you real quick our grocery, the things we bought today. So we have some soda water and some amazing passion fruit jam, nutty choco vegan spread, cashew butter, almond butter, vegan pesto, some organic, where is it here, coconut milk. I bought some jar to be using to drink my cheese and everything. Then I don't need disposable cups, and some olives and some Hawaiian salt. So let's see how it goes. And then tempeh. I never ate this before. I always see other vegans eating, and I'm so excited to try it.
Hello, cute. Falafel, hummus and salad with pita bread, all vegan of course. And now we're gonna pick our motorcycle back home early because tomorrow somebody wants to free dive. Let's finally check out the sea. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, the background really fits you. Look.
Oh, we always wear them.
Bananas, coconuts. There is a heavy wind because it's about to rain, so the waves are quite heavy this morning. My Destiny Tribe, good morning. Look guys, special service. Okay.
Look at my pets.
Pets? Your pets?
What we have here, Destiny Boy just prepared some organic, fresh, delicious food for us. A little bit of a salad. organic rice and some texturized soy protein with onion, garlic, and other flavors, secret flavors.
Whoa, that's some serious shopping. Look.
Finally, my
Look the drone going over.
Mango, mango, mango. Guys, honestly, can't wait. I'll show you one.
We spent a whole month in Koh Phangan. There's lots of adventures coming up. Stay tuned.